Hi everyone, welcome to the series of chemistry lectures. Dear students, today we are going to solve CSIR-UGC-NET June 2025 question paper Chemical Sciences. This exam was held on 28th July 2025, shift 2 during 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. As you know, this question paper consists of 120 questions. Maximum marks for this question paper are 200 marks. The time duration of this exam was 3 hours. As you know, this exam consists of 3 parts: Part A, Part B, Part C. Part A 30 marks, Part B 70 marks, and Part C 100 marks. Total, you are going to get 200 marks. Let us see the questions. Part A, General Aptitude and Research Aptitude questions. This section consists of 20 questions, out of which you are supposed to answer any 15 questions. The first 15 questions will be considered for awarding marks, and each correct answer you are going to get 2 marks. That means total you will get 30 marks. Marks for each correct answer is 2, while if you make any wrong answer, you are going to lose 0.5 marks. Let's see the questions. Question number 1. Kavita starts from her house and walks 200 meters northward, then turns 45 degrees right and walks 70 meters. After that, she turns 90 degrees right and walks 70 meters. Which of the following is the closest value of the shortest distance between Kavita's current location and her house? The correct option for this question is option number 4, 223 meters is correct option, students. Next, question number 2. A number is mistakenly divided by 2 instead of being multiplied by 2. What is the change in the result caused by this mistake? The result is option number 3, 75%. Option number 3 is correct option, students. Next, question number 3. Suresh asked Ramesh to identify the person in a photo that the latter is holding. Ramesh responds, I have no brothers or sisters. However, that man's father is my father's son. Who is the person in the photo? It is nothing but Ramesh's son. Ramesh's son. Option number 3 is correct option, students. Next, question number 4. The value of a company is measured as the total value of its shares owned by different investors. Rakesh owns 2 by 15 of the shares of a company. He sells 1 by 3 of his shares for rupees 75,000. What is the total value of the company at that time? The correct option for this question is option number 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 5. 3 friends, Mr. Rahman, Mr. George and Mr. Vedant, met after a long time. They were wearing red, green and violet color shirts. Mr. Rahman and person wearing violet shirt noticed that none of the 3 is wearing a color that starts with same letter as his name. Which one of the following is the correct match of the persons with the color of their shirts? Option number 2 is correct option, students. Rahman wears green, George wears violet and Vedant wears red. Next, question number 6. The given Venn diagram shows numbers of players playing one or more than one sport. The percentage of players who play exactly 2 sports is closest to. This is a Venn diagram. So what are the sports? Football, cricket and tennis. So Venn diagram, this is 2 players 11 plus this is 6. 11 plus 6, how much? 17 plus 7. 17 plus 7, 24. And this 4 also has to be included. 24 plus 4, 28. Option number 3 is correct option, students. Next, question number 7. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. All booklets are manuals. Statement 2. All manuals are catalogs. If statements 1 and 2 are true, which one of the following conclusions can be conclusively drawn? Option number 3. All booklets are catalogs. Option number 3 is correct option, students. Next. Question number 8. A cylindrical container of radius 20 centimeters was filled with water up to 25 centimeter height. A solid spherical ball of radius 7 centimeters was then immersed in the water. What would be the approximate increase in water level in the container after the ball was fully immersed? So the correct option for this question is 1.14 centimeters, students. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next. Question number 9. The initial monthly salaries of employees John, Ria and Sunil were in the proportion 4:3:5. After an increase of rupees 10,000 monthly to all, the new proportion becomes 6:5:7. What was the initial salary of Sunil? The initial salary of Sunil is 25,000. Option number 2 is correct option, students. Next. Rahul and his father started jogging on a circular track of radius r. R is greater than 2. Rahul completed one round and stopped. His father got tired halfway into the first round and returned to his starting point along a straight line. What is the ratio of the distances covered by Rahul and his father? It is option number 4, 2 is correct option, students. Option number 4 is correct option, students. Question number 11. What will be the digit at the units place of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 6 cube plus 7 cube plus 8 cube plus 9 cube? The correct option for this question is option number 2, 5 is correct option, students. Next. The market share, that is in percentage, and annual production of scooters from 5 automobile companies P, Q, R, S and T are shown in graphs. These are sales, market share and their companies. If the profit of a company is directly proportional to the ratio of market share to production, then which of the following statements is correct? Statement X. Companies T and P have some profit. Statement Y. Company R has the maximum profit. Statement Z. Company S has the minimum profit. Question number 12. Option number 4. Only Z is correct option, students. That means company S has the minimum profit. Right? Next. Question number 13. 3 identical semicircles are arranged as shown. What is the diameter of the semicircles? 5 pi, 20, 15 pi by 2 and 25. Option number 2, that is 20 is correct option, students. Next. Question number 14. In a code, the word deltoid is written as 3, 1, 5, 2, 8, 9, 3. Then lotion, L-O-T-I-O-N could be written as option number 4. It can be written as 1, 9, 8, 3, 9, 2. Option number 4 is correct option, students. Next. Question number 15. A stock market trader has lost 2/3 of her investment on a day. Next day, she recovered 1/3 of the previous day's loss. What fraction of her initial investment is she left with? Option number 4 is correct option, students. 5/9. Next. Question number 16. A circle radius 1 unit is divided into 4 quarters and rejoined as shown below. What is the area of this shape? Option number 3 is correct option, students. Next. Question number 17. A car has wheels of diameter 36 centimeters. If it runs at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, then the rotation per minute RPM will be closest to option number 1 is correct option, students. 884 is correct option, students. Next. Question number 18. Numbers of rose, lotus and marigold plants in a garden are in the proportion of 8:5:7. Latter 75%, 40%, 50% more plants of their respective categories were added. What will be the new proportion of plants in the same order? The correct option for this question is option number 2. 4:2:3 is correct option, students. Next, question number 19. The following diagram represents the relationship between 4 categories. The categories could be option number 4. Furniture, chairs, seats, wooden objects is correct option, students. Next, question number 20. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit numbers AB is subtracted from the number and the result is divided by 9. Then the result of this will be option number 1. Always A is correct option, students. Next, part B. Dear students, this part B is subject to specific questions. The maximum questions in this section are 40 questions, out of which you are supposed to answer any 35 questions only. Each correct answer you are going to get 2 marks. If you make any wrong answer, you are going to lose 0.5 marks. All are multiple choice questions only. The first 35 questions what you answer are going to be considered for awarding marks. If you make wrong answer, you are going to lose 0.5 marks. Let us see the questions. Question number 21. Compound A on Hoffman exhaustive N-methylation procedure involving 2 cycles followed by ozonolysis using ozone followed by dimethyl sulfide treatment gives benzaldehyde, formaldehyde and 2,2-dimethyl propane diol. This is diol, means dialdehyde. The structure of A is, let us take this. If I do ozonolysis, you are going to break like this. It is going to give, these are the products. Let us say option number 1 and write the products. What are the products? This is benzaldehyde. So coming from this part, phenyl part, and this 1 carbon is going to give as formaldehyde. 1 carbon aldehyde, it is nothing but formaldehyde. And remaining this 1, 2, 3 carbons, 2,2-dimethyl propane diol, means it is going to give like this. Compound 1, we are going to get benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. This is formaldehyde. This is 2,2-dimethyl propane diol. So the option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 22. The correct option for a real solution formed by mixing liquid A with liquid B is, here Kb is Henry's law constant and solid line represents a real solution. The correct option for this question is option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 23. The conformations A and B of a single molecule have energies 5 kBt and 9 kBt respectively at a temperature T. The fraction of molecules in conformation B is option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 24. Among the following, the correct representation for the LUMO, lowest unoccupied molecular orbital of benzene is, so this is A, B, C, D. Yes, B is correct. LUMO, and C no, D also is correct. So B and D, which one is showing? Yes, option number 4 is correct option, students. Question number 24, option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 25. In a colloidal solution, the zeta potential is the electric potential at the option number 1 radius of the colloid particle, option 2 radius of stern layer, option 3 radius of shear surface, option 4 outer radius of diffuse ion layer. Question number 25, option 3 is correct option, students. Next, question number 26. A radioactive element X emits 2 alpha, this is alpha, and 1 gamma particles to yield element Y. of mass number 82, X also emits one alpha and one beta particle to yield element Z with an atomic number 44. See, X is giving this side Z44 and this is 2 alpha and Y82. The element X, Y and Z respectively are. The correct option for this question is option number 2 is correct option, students. Next. Yes, in proton NMR, the multiplicity pattern expected for the highlighted protons in the following compounds is. So this is one proton. It is chiral proton. That means it is going to interact or give coupling with these two protons, alpha to this or adjacent to this proton, or there are two protons. Since it is a chiral molecule, it is going to form doublet with this proton and doublet with this proton. So doublet of doublet. Compound 1 is going to give doublet of doublet. So option number out of this doublet of doublet is going to be correct, either 1 or 2. Let us see this. So compound 2, yes, it is 2 protons here. This is vinylic protons, 2 protons. This has to give cis coupling with this proton, doublet, this doublet, doublet of doublet, and here there will be one proton, doublet of doublet of doublet, 3 doublets. Yes, it is 3 doublets. So it is going to be option number 1. So let us take this one. So 2 protons, here 2 protons. So here it is having 1, 2 protons. So these 2 protons are prochiral. So these 2 protons are going to form, since these 2 protons are same, these 2 protons are going to be prochiral. So these 2 protons are going to form triplet with this doublet. So triplet of doublet, TD is correct option, students. So option number 1 is correct option, students. Next. Question number 28. The geometries of mercury iodide 3 minus and tin trichloride minus respectively are. So option number 1, that is trigonal planar and trigonal pyramidal is correct option, students. Next. The reagent that would affect the following transformation is, see what is happening, PBS is intact. So OAC, it is ester also intact. So Bock deprotection is taking place. There is no Bock. So Bock deprotection in presence of what? So hydrogen palladium, no. TBAF, if you use tetrabutyl ammonium fluoride, PBS will be deprotected. So this is not going to be the correct answer. And aluminum chloride and DCM, it is acidic, but in DCM it is not going to give the desired product. If I use this potassium carbonate in methanol, yes, option number 4 is correct option, students. So use of potassium carbonate in methanol is mild reagent which can be used for the deprotection of Bock. If I use methanol plus water, it is going to hydrolyze this acetate also. Since we are not using water in this reaction, so potassium carbonate methanol selectively deprotects Bock group, losing other groups intact. So option number 4 is correct option, students. Next. Question number 30. The correct order of stability for the following conformations of propanol, this propanol aldehyde is, so which is going to be more stable? To get more stable, it can be used as hydrogen bonding. So here it is having 3 hydrogens. Methyl group is going to be 3 hydrogen bonds. So same side, near to each one. So it is going to form 3 hydrogen bonds. So among these 3 hydrogen bonds, yes, it is going to be more stable. Then followed by, yes, it is there, yes, this is 2 and this is in, for this molecule or conformation, this hydrogen is down, this hydrogen is down, and this methyl is upward, but it is not same or near to this one, so it is going to be less stable. So A, followed by C, followed by B. So that option number 1 should be correct option. So option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 31. The correct statements about tin tetrachloride and tin tetramethane are: A. Tin tetrachloride forms tin hexachloride 2-. Tin tetramethane does not form tin hexamethane 2-. Tin tetrachloride does not undergo hydrolysis. Tin tetramethane readily hydrolyzes. Or question number 31, option number 1 is correct option, students. That means A. Tin tetrachloride forms tin hexachloride 2-. Tin tetramethane does not form tin hexamethane 2-. So option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 32. Among the following linear combinations of determinants written with spatial wave functions 1s and 2s and electronic spin wave functions alpha and beta using 1 and 2 as labels of the two electrons, the one that denotes the unnormalized wave function of a triplet excited state 1s1 2s1 of helium is question number 32. Option number 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 33. The correct statements about the copper containing protein hemocyanin from the following: statement A, it is an extracellular protein. Statement B, it has an oligomeric structure with each subunit containing a pair of 2 copper atoms. Statement C, in deoxy form the 2 copper I, that is copper 1 atoms are separated by 2.8 angstroms. Statement D, the blue color of oxy form is due to charge transfer from superoxide to copper 2 ion. The correct statements are question number 33, option number 1, that means A and B. A, it is an extracellular protein, and B, it has an oligomeric structure with each subunit containing a pair of 2 copper atoms are correct option, students. Next, question number 34. The numbers of metal bonds in osmium taken 4 times, carbonate 16 is option number 1 4 is correct option, students. Next, the correct option with respect to cesium-2 xenon F8 is option number 4. Capped square anti-prismatic with no lone pair is correct option, students. Next, the major products A and B formed in the following reactions are: so what is the first reaction? Methyl magnesium bromide. So it is going to be Grignard reaction. How it is going to form? See, this is Grignard reagent. Methyl reagent is going to attack here. So directly acid hydrolysis, after hydrolysis it is going to give alcohol. So downside it is going to alcohol, and this methyl group comes from this side, not from lower side. So it is going to form this. A should be alcohol. Yes, here it is A and B. B is has to be. So here A, right? So A is correct here. So what about B? 9-boro bicyclononane. So 9-BBN, yes. So 9-BBN adds to this side, terminal side, right? So terminal side, when it is here hydrogen peroxide and sodium hydroxide, it is going to form OH here, and during the reduction of this step, it is going to form hydrogen, hydrate ion. 9-BBN hydrate reduction, it is going to give this hydrogen comes from this side, same as methyl group, whereas methyl minus also comes from this side, and hydrate H minus also comes from the same side. So this hydrogen going to be added from this side, and OH is going to be here. So option 4, that is option 4 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 37. Isoquinoline on sequential reaction with benzoyl chloride and potassium cyanide followed by heating with aqueous sodium hydroxide gives. What is the reaction? sequential reaction is benzoyl chloride, isoquinoline with benzoyl chloride. What is going to happen? Yes, it is going to form salt with this nitrogen, and this upon reaction with cyanide, it is going to form cyanation is going to take place. So cyanation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 cyano compound is going to be obtained. That is option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 38. The complete combustion of 9.83 mg of an organic compound CXHYOZ gives 23.26 mg of carbon dioxide, 9.52 mg of water. The ESI mass analysis of this compound gives a molecular iron peak at 130 m/Z. The value of X is given atomic weights. Yes, we know carbon 12, hydrogen 1 and oxygen 16. The correct option for this question is option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 39. For an eigenstate, that is PSI, of a time independent Hamiltonian is option number 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 40. The isopentenyl pyrophosphate formed through mevalonate pathway using acetyl coenzyme A containing a carbon 14 labeled, that is isotope carbonyl carbon is. So option number 3 is correct option, students. It is going to give this pyrophosphate. Next, question number 41. The wave function of a one-dimensional quantum system is given by, the dimension of A is, let us take L is the dimension of length. So option number 3 is correct option, students. Next, question number 42. Considering the potential energy at the equilibrium position XB to be 0, the internuclear potential Vx as a function of distance x between two atoms in a diatomic molecule is given by, where dE and alpha are two constants. The fourth constant of the bond between the two atoms is option number 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 43. The correct statement about C60 from the following. Statement A, it exhibits greater degree of delocalization than benzene. Statement B, it is susceptible towards addition reactions than substitution reactions. Statement C, the spherical structure of C60 makes the C double bond C bonds more reactive. Statement D, its overall reactivity is more like cycloalkenes than benzene. The correct statements about C60 from the following are B, C and D are correct statements, students. That is B, it is susceptible towards addition reactions than substitution reactions. C, it is the spherical structure of C60 makes the C double bond C bonds more reactive. D, its overall reactivity is more like cycloalkenes than benzene. So option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 44. The major product formed in the following reaction is, so stibethane pentafluoride 2 equivalents in presence of sulfur dioxide at -78. This molecule is going to give aromatic compound. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, the correct IUPAC name for the following compound is, so what is the correct IUPAC nomenclature? Let us start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here, and this is 7. So 7, 7, 1s. So 1s, 6r, 3 means 3 methyl, 7 dimethyls are 377 trimethyl bicyclo. Yes, 4, that means 4 is here, and 1, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 0. 4, 1, 0, hept 3 in, hept 3 position. Here it is double bond is here, so hept 3 in. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, consider the following unbalanced chemical reactions. Unbalanced chemical reactions are given. This is so A ammonia nitrogen NO2 minus, oxygen is converted into H2O2, NO2 is going to give NO3 minus, this is NO3 minus, D reaction it is going to give H2S is going to be given as S8, and carbon dioxide is going to give carbon monoxide. The reactions that are brought about by the chemolithotropic bacteria are, so option number 2 is correct option, students, that is A, C, D are correct option, students, that is A ammonia NO2 minus, that is C NO2 to NO3, and D it is going to give H2S to S8 bacteria are, so 46 option number 2 is correct option, students. Next question number 47, the correct order of basicity for the following compound is, so among these, yes, it is pyridazine, pyrimidine, pyrazine, pyridazine. More basic, then this pyrimidine, then this, so 3 2 1, so 3 2 1 option number 4 is correct option, students. Question number 48. Next, question number 48, among the following equivalent circuits A and B for an electrode electrolyte interface, the correct option is, question number 48, option 3 is correct option, students. A is ideally polarizable, B is ideally non-polarizable, so option number 3 is correct option, students. Next, the total number of lines expected in the EPR spectrum of the copper 2 complex given copper 1 equal to 3 by 2, N is 1 minus 1 shown below, 1 to 1 is shown below as, so the correct option for this question is option number 4 is correct option, students, that is 20. Next, yes, so question number 50, the major product formed in the following reaction is mercury acetate followed by sodium borate. What is going to form? Yes, it is going to give product 1, that is option 1 is correct option, students. It is going to be reduced to give alcohol here, so the alcohol is going to be come from this side, right? So above the plane it is going to be attacked. The option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 51, the standard Gibbs energy of a substance refers to the Gibbs free energy of its pure form at, yes, option number 3 is correct option, students. That means any temperature and pressure, that is 1 bar is correct option, students. Next, question number 52, according to Karplus equation, the vicinal proton-proton coupling contact is minimum when the value of dihedral angle is, yes, 3, that is 90 degrees. Karplus equation, the vicinal proton-proton coupling contact is minimum when the value of dihedral angle is 90. So when they are dihedral is 90, it is going to be minimum, right? So the option number 3 is correct option, students. Next, question number 53, for actinides complex formation tendency follows the order. Option number 3 is correct option, students. Next, question number 54, the pair of electronic configurations representing ground term fluorine 2 3 is, option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 55, nitramide NH2NO2 decomposes under basic conditions to generate, option number 1 N2O, option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 56, the major product formed in the following reaction sequence is, yes, using tetrakis triphenyl phosphine, potassium tetrabutoxide as a base, so dimethyl melanate. So what is going to happen? Yes, it is going to form base here, so this acetate group is going to be replaced with this here. Yes, it is going to be coming from dotted line, so dotted line it is going to give here, say like this, dotted line, dimethyl melanate O, right here also COO, O methyl, right? So this dimethyl melanate, when you do DMSO, lithium chloride DMSO heating, this decarboxylation is going to take place to give this compound 4. You are going to get compound 4. Decarboxylation is going to take place to give option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 57. The activation energy and enthalpy change in the reaction hydrogen, that is H2 plus I2 gives 2HI respectively are 167 kilojoules per mole and minus kilojoules per mole. Assuming the pre-exponential factors for production and decomposition of HI to be same at all temperatures, the correct option is Kp and Kd are the rate constants for production and decomposition of HI respectively. The option number 2 is correct option, students. Kd changes more rapidly with temperature than Kp. So option number 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 58. The density, mass and unit cell edge length of a crystalline solid X are 2.7 grams centimeter minus 3, 27 grams per mole and 400 picometers respectively. The crystal lattice of X is, it is going to be FCC. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 59. Consider the following reaction. It is going to give chromium hexacarbonyl to give dimer like this. So in presence of heating, it is going to form in presence of 3, that is OH minus. Option number 3 is correct option, students. Next, for a atomic molecule AB, the internuclear distance is R and the internuclear axis is along the Z direction. The plot of the overlap integral S for the px orbital of A and d zx orbital of B against R is option number 4 is correct option, students. Dear students, please subscribe my channel Venus Academy if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on the like button and bell button. Part C. This section is going to contain advanced and analytical subject specific questions. Dear students, this section maximum questions are 60 questions starting from 61 to 120. For this section you are going to get maximum number of questions to attempt are 25 questions only, out of which the first 25 questions what you answer are going to be taken into account for awarding marks. If you make any wrong answer, you are going to lose 1 mark. Let us see the questions. Part C, question number 61. The XRD pattern of a crystalline material measured using copper K alpha radius lambda equal to 1.54 angstroms is as follows: 2 theta degrees, 38.43, 44.65, 65.02, 78.13. Considering the cubic edge length, that is around 4 angstroms, the Miller indices and Bravais lattice of the material are option number 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 62. Consider the following statements about NO and NO2. Statement A. The unpaired electron is in pi star orbital of NO while it is in sigma non-bonding orbital of NO2. NO does not prefer dimerization whereas NO2 does. Statement C. The radius of NO is comparatively easier than NO2. Statement D. There is a center of inversion in NO2. The option with the correct statement is option number 1, that is A and B only are correct. That means statement A, the unpaired electron is in pi star orbital of NO while it is in sigma non-bonding orbital of NO2, and statement B, that is NO does not prefer dimerization whereas NO2 does. So the option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 63. The number of microstates, the ground term, the energy separation between the ground term and the next excited state term of identical multiplicity, and the value of the lowest energy spin orbit state for the ground state for D3 configuration respectively are option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, yes, the major product formed in the following reaction is Next, question number 64. The major product formed in the following reaction is palladium acetate, catalytic amount in presence of triphenyl phosphine, silver carbonate. Yes, it is going to form like this. So it is going to form cyclase here, and this is going to form here. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 membered ring, and it is going to form 6 membered ring, right? So exocyclic double bond is going to be obtained. That is option 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 65. For the reaction K plus Br2, that means KBr plus bromine, the rate constant can be described as K equal to A expressed minus E alpha by RT. Choose the correct option regarding activation energy and pre-exponential factor. Is the correct option for this question number 65 is option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, option showing the correct Berry pseudo rotation is option number 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 67. The unnormalized probability density distribution of a continuous variable x is given by the average of x square over the normalized distribution is question number 67. Option 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 68. The intermediate involved in the following reaction are, so what is going to happen? Yes, this amine is going to form here and methoxy, and what is how many carbons are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbons here, and 1 2 3 4 5, yes, 6 carbons, and this carbonyl is going to be out. So what is the intermediate? Yes, here it is going to form free radical, and it is going to form here this B. So option number 1 is correct option, students. It is going to form A and B intermediates. Next, question number 69. For a heteronuclear diatomic molecule AB, the unnormalized wave functions for HOMO and one of the two degenerative LUMOs respectively are HOMO. Atomic orbitals of A and B are denoted by internuclear axes along the z direction. AB is a question number 69. Option number 3 is correct option, students. Next, question number 70. The major products A and B formed in the following reaction sequence are, yes, propyl ether and nitro, zinc sodium hydroxide heat, aqueous HCl. What is going to happen? Zinc sodium hydroxide heat, it is going to give reduced nitro group is going to be reduced and to give this compound A, and in presence of aqueous HCl it is going to form this compound, option B. So option number 1 is correct option, students. Question number 70. Option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 71. The correct match of methyl groups of molecules in column P with their topicity in column Q is, so what is happening? This is methyl group. So methyl groups are, yes, this is upside and this is on plane. So it is going to be A is diastereotopic, whereas B is 2 homotopic, and this is enantiotopic. That means option number 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 72. The compound that gives the following NMR spectra. Proton NMR spectral data is proton NMR in CDCl3. It is going to give delta 11.80 singlet. So for what we can expect? Yes, so if it is aldehyde, it should be around 9 only. So this is not the compound. So here, yes, it is phenol. It can be 11.8. This compound also is having 11.8, and this compound also is having 11.8. Okay, 3 compounds out of 4. We ruled out 1 compound, and there are 3 compounds. Let us see one by one. So here 7.69 doublet. So doublet with 2.38 coupling constant means it is meta coupling. So among these 3, which is having meta coupling? Yes, this proton is going to have meta coupling, right? So with this proton, it is going to have meta coupling, right? So in this also it is chance is there, it is also going to have meta coupling here. Okay, so 7.69, right? 7.35 doublet of doublet, 8.5 2.3. 8.5 2.3 means it is going to form, what is this? So it is ortho and meta coupling. So this is 7.35. So adjacent to methyl group it is 7.3 de-shielding zone, and this is 6.86 doublet, it is ortho coupling, only ortho coupling it is here. So ortho coupling is given 8.5H, so J is 8.5H, right? So among these two, there is no meta coupling, so compound 4 is ruled out to give ortho and meta. So multiplet you will get, but there is no multiplet, so only meta coupling is possible for this. This is also possible, but for this compound adjacent to phenol, it should be doublet of doublet compound at 6.86, right? But it is having this adjacent to this methyl de-shielding zone, it is having here. So the compound 2 is correct option, students. Option number 2. Question number 72, option number 2 is correct option, students. Next, and this is 2.63, yes, as usual, you know. So 2.63 singlet comes for acetyl group, methyl, these 3 protons, and 2.28 toluene protons, it is going to be 2.23. So the option number 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 73, at 100 Pa and 500 K, the number of collisions argon atoms make on a solid surface of area 1.0 centimeter square in 10 square is closest to molar mass of argon is 40 grams per mole. Assume argon to behave as a perfect gas. So the option number 4 is correct option, students. Question number 74, the Hammett plot for the following transformation is, so what Hammett equation, what is going to happen here? Yes, it is going to form here. So question number 74, option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 75, 1 mole of a monoatomic ideal gas at 1 atmosphere pressure is taken through the PV cycle as shown below. For the process 1 to 2, the reversible work done and the change in enthalpy in kilojoules respectively are. Question number 75, option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 76, the reactions that give A as the major product are, yes, so what is happening? A, the product is here. Do we get lithium liquid ammonia? No, so it is not going to give this product. So here Gilman reaction followed by, yes, alpha alkylation, yes, state this reaction is going to give product. This is no, this is okay, and here what is going to happen? Methyl magnesium, yes, Michael addition followed by alkylation. So 2 and 4 is possible here, chiral molecule, but the product is chiral is here. So to get this, here also it is possible, but methyl group is on plane, right? So statement 2, reaction 2 and 4 are going to give the desired product. So option number 4 is going to be correct option, students. This is Michael addition followed by alkylation, alpha alkylation. Next, question number 77, if the crystal field splitting energy of d orbitals follows the order dz square, dxy, dx square minus y square, dxz, dyz, the ligand field is, option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 78, the mass bar spectra of FeL22 L equal to 3,5 dimethyl tris pyrazole borate shown below exhibit temperature dependent spin transition behavior. The correct statements from the following: statement A, at 295 K the iron 2 center is high spin. Statement B, at 4.2 K the iron 2 center is low spin. Statement C, at 295 K the iron 2 center is low spin. Statement D, at 4.2 K the iron 2 center is high spin. Statement E, at 166 K, it represents a mixture of low spin and high spin iron 2 complexes. Or question number 78, option 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 79, the mass spectra of palladium tetrakis triphenyl phosphine alone and a mixture of tetrakis triphenyl phosphine palladium and sulfonated triphenyl phosphine, that is ligand, are recorded on two different machines. The relevant data is given below. Species, machine, mode, relative intensity of the corresponding mass signal. Species are given, machine and the relative intensity of the corresponding mass are given here. The correct option for this question is option number 4, that is statement A, C, D are correct statements, friends. Let us see the statements A, C, D. A, machine 1 provides a softer ionization conditions than machine 2, and C, mass data reveal ligand exchange reaction. D, the increased prevalence of monophosphine ion, that is palladium ligand minus in machine 2 is attributed to ion fragmentation. The option containing the correct statement is, so option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 80, the correct sequence of processes involved in the following transformation is, here it is what is happening, yes, so this hydroxy group are tilted to here and it is going to be formation of ether is going to be taken place. Yes, question number 80, the option number 4 is correct option, students. This is going to form by deprotonation followed by retroaldol reaction followed by aldol reaction then followed by O-methylation. So the option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 81, the correct statements regarding olefin polymerization involving metallocene and alkyl aluminum species from the following, so are statement A, trace amounts of water cause a significant increase in the rates of ethylene polymerization by the cyclopentadienyl titanium ethyl chloride aluminum complex and methyl aluminum oxane. Statement B, statement C, boron complex. Statement D, the termination step of the polymerization reaction is beta hydrate elimination. So question number 81, option number 4, that means B, C, D only are correct option, students. That means statement B, C, D are correct statements, students. Next, question number 82, the EPR spectrum of indium is given. Indium I equal to 9 by 2, hydrogen I equal to 1 by 2 is comprised of, question number 82, option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 83, the electronic configurations showing tetragonal compression and elongation in their octahedral complexes respectively are, question number 83, option 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 84, the correct statements about agostic interactions from the following. Statement A, it involves a 3-center 2-electron interaction with a CH bond of the ligand. Statement B, the CH bond of the ligand involved in agostic interaction is lengthened. Statement C, its presence is identified by an upfield chemical shift of the CH bond of the ligand. Statement D, it lowers the pK of the CH bond of the ligand. So the correct statements about agostic interactions from the following are, question number 84, option 1, that is A, B, C, D all are correct option, students. Correct statements. Next, question number 85, the dielectric constants of electrolyte solutions A and B are epsilon and 2 epsilon respectively at a given temperature T. The ratio lambda D of A by lambda D of B of 2 dBi ionic screening lengths alpha D and alpha D of B is, question number 85, option 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 86, the rate law for the reaction N2O2 gas gives rise to 2NO gas is first order in the concentration of N2O2. If the initial concentration of N2O2 is 1 mole, the expression for time dependent behavior of concentration of NO is, question number 86, option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 87, the starting material that gives compound A on heating is compound A. So option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, Question number 88. The relative order of rate constants in the following transformations are yes. So in presence of docile, and here sodium, okay, mercaptobenzene. It is going to give question number 88. The option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 89. The magnitude of the orbital angular momentum vector of a quantum mechanical system is under root 6h. The smallest possible angle between its orbital angular momentum vector and the z-axis is question number 89. Option 4 is correct option, students. Next, yes, the major product formed in the following reaction sequence is what is happening? Yes, heating. In presence of heat, it is going to yes, open. Option number 1 is going to be formed. So the option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 91. The correct number of stereoisomers and the correct number of enantiomeric pairs of yes respectively are question number 91. Option 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 92. The number of permitted configurations for NV water molecules at absolute zero temperature is question number 92. Option 3 is correct option, students. Next, question number 93. For complex nickel, the spin orbit coupling constant, right. Question number 93. Option 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 94. The intermediate A and B major product B formed in the following reactions are, so what is happening? Iodine, it is going to give A, and this upon reaction it is going to give B. What is going to happen? Option 1 no, it is going to be 4. So it is going to form 4 via intermediate A. That means iodination is going to be formed here. So this is the product B is going to be formed through intermediate A. Next, question number 95. So option number 2 is correct option, student. The solubility of bismuth thiol S3 is given. Question number 96. Option 4 is correct option, students. The wave function of a quantum mechanical system with the Hamiltonian H is equal to, so for this question 96, option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 97. List 1 contains metal alkyl compounds which do not undergo beta hydride elimination step, and list 2 gives the reactions. So beta hydride elimination, question number 97, option 4 is correct option, students. That means A gives S, so A is going to be PQRS, lacks beta hydrogen, right? So there is no beta hydrogen. Okay, B is P, B is giving P means PQRS, yes, planar, and C is going to be R. Then this is D is Q, right? So option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 98. Option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 99. The major product formed in the following reaction sequence is, so what is happening? Chlorine in presence of triethylamine, cis-2-butene, cis-2-butene, yes, this is cis-2-butene. So this cis-2-butene followed by lithium aluminum hydride. Yes, option number 1 is going to be correct option, students. Question number 99, option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 100. The major product formed in the following reaction is silver carbonate and silicate. Yes, rearrangement is going to take place. Here it is going to be alcohol and here it is going to be double bond. So conjugation is going to be changed. That means 100, question number 100, it is going to be para, right? So this is question number 100. Option 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 101. Option number 4 is correct option, students. The character table of C3V point group is as follows. For normal modes of vibration of ammonia, the correct statement among the following is: normal modes, the wave function of first vibration excited state is totally symmetric. So option 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 1 or 2. The self-exchange rate and the reduction potential for the following redox couples are given below. So for this question 102, option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 1 or 3. The theta dependent part of an unnormalized atomic orbital. Question number 1 or 3, option 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 1 or 4. Option number 4, that means in the photochemical reaction A gives rise to B. 2.5 millimoles of A is converted into B on irradiation with 100 watts light of wavelength 300 nanometers for 66 seconds. The quantum yield of the reaction is closest to 0.35. Option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, right, the major product A formed in the following reaction sequence is pentafluoro, trifluoromethane, tetrabutalamide, metachloroperbenzoic acid. So EPR active. So 105, option number 4, EPR active. So here it is ultra spectra it is giving. So it is the product of 105. Question number 105, option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 106. Consider the following temperature composition diagram for water and nicotine. So the option number 3, nicotine and water form V complex at 50 degrees centigrade. The number of phases P in the region A is 2. So the option 3 is correct option, students. Next, so the correct statement about the major product of the following reaction is what is happening? Sodium acetate and acetic acid. Yes. Option 2 is correct option, students. So this is going to be A is formed and it is going to be a racemic compound. So option 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 188. The rotational constant of a diatomic molecule is 2.0 centimeters. The wavelength of the excitation laser is 333 nanometers. Assuming rigid rotor model of diatomic molecule, the first centimeters in the rotational Raman spectrum are predicted to be closest to question number 188. Option 4 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 109. The correct order for the relative rate of esterification 1, 2, 3 with para-nitrobenzoyl chloride is, so para-nitrobenzoyl chloride, it has to come from, so option 2, 1 greater than 2 greater than 3, 109. So where it is possible, so it forms easily benzoyl chloride. So here it is followed by 2 followed by 3. So option 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 110. The correct statements regarding the inner transition elements from the following are 110, option 4, that means A, B, C, D, all are correct statements, students, right? So question number 110, option 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 111. The total number of lines expected in the EPR spectrum of a high-spin manganese complex. Question number 111, option 3 is correct option, students. Question number 112. Double logarithmic plot of the intrinsic viscosity and the molar mass of polymers in solution is linear with slope 3/4. The ratio of molar mass of two solutions of the same polymer of different molar mass is 16. The expected ratio of their measured intrinsic viscosity in an experiment will be, option number 3 is correct option, students. Next, yes, the major product formed in the following reaction is, option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 114. Consider the following statements regarding corine ring P and porphyrin ring Q. The correct statements are 114, option 2, C and D only are correct statements. That is, P is partially reduced to more flexible and smaller in size than Q. That D, the flexibility of P supports multiple oxidation states of cobalt. So question number 114, option 2 is correct option, students. Next, the point shown below is for the rate of acid hydrolysis reaction of cobalt complex at 25 degrees, where X is an anionic ligand. The correct option is 115. Option 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 116. The intermediates involved in the following reaction sequence are, what is happening? 116, option 3, A and C are the intermediates. So you are going to get, this is a product. 116, A and C, that is option 3 is correct option, students. Next, 117, option number 4, h square by 10 meters, a particle of mass m is confined to one dimensional box of unit length. The wave function of the system is given by h square by 10 meters. Option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 118. The free ion ground term, the calculated spin plus orbital magnetic momentum value, the calculated spin orbit magnetic moment value, and the observed magnetic moment value 300 K for a gaseous 3d ion respectively are. Question number 118, option number 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 119. For the C3 point group with C3 axis along the z direction, the correct statement is option number 4 is correct option, students. X and Y jointly form a basis for a two-dimensional representation. Next, question number 120. The correct match between the enzymes in column P and the biological functions of in column Q from the table below is given as. So column P, column Q. So cytochrome C oxidase is going to do reduction of oxygen to water. Tyrosinase is going to do oxidation of phenols, and purple acid phosphatase is going to do hydrolysis, and galactose oxidase is going to oxidation of alcohols, and ribonucleotide reductase is going to DNA biosynthesis. That means 5, 3, 2, 4, 1. Option number 3. Option number 3 is correct option, students. Dear students, we have completed CSIR-UGC-NET June 2025 question paper, which was held on 28th July 2025. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel Venus Academy if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on like button and bell button. Dear students, you will get the question paper along with answers below of this video description. Thank you. Bye. Sayonara. Arigato gozaimasu. All the best.